One step in. Do it, kiddles. Come on.
I don't want this on video. I'm scared. How am I gonna get back?
Kylie, you'll get back just fine. Just step on that stone.
What if it's slippery?
It won't be.
It means you want me to fall.
No, I do not want you to fall.
Well, then if I go over, you go over.
No, I'm not holding your hand. Kylie, come on, go.
My boots are in the tie. I don't want to get my pants all wet. I can't.
I think your boots will be high enough. Come on. You're doing your hair around your ear's sticking out and it's getting all cold. Are you not doing it?
Look, it'll get my pants all wet.